Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing Submagic AI and I will show you how to auto-edit your video in just one click using AI Submagic. Now we'll log in on Submagic and you'll find the link in the description. Here are inside in Submagic you find a lot of options, but we choose AI auto-edit. Now we'll choose any templates you like it in this editing templates. Let's choose this now and click on it and click continue. Now we upload your video. I upload my video in here. This is my video uploaded and click create auto editing video. Submagic now will edit my video without doing anything manually. It's take some time. And with this AI tool, you can turn a long video into short form video. You can edit in your video, added captions, added b-rolls, zooms. It's one powerful AI tool for content creation. If you want to get started, you find the link in the description. Now my video it's ready. You can hear added caption, AI caption, remove silence. Now added zooms. You can added zooms, added b-rolls. Let's add the b-rolls here. Title hooks, clear audio. We choose to upgrade the plan, remove the bad text, clean eyes contact. All this you can use it with Submagic. Now let's review my video.
Stop scrolling. You're wasting time while people are making money with AI every day. And no, you don't need skills, money, or experience. Here's a simple method. 1. Go to ChatGPT 2, ask it to create an ebook or guide 3. Design it using Canva 4. Upload it to Gumroad 5. Promote it on Pinterest. That's it. People are making passive income from this. Some creators are hitting $1,000 plus per month with just one digital product. Follow me if you want real ways to make money online with AI.
Now this is my video. It's ready with audio and the music background. You can to generate the templates for the video with Submagic for Instagram. Here all the templates style you can use it. You can choose any style here like this, and you can create your avatar. That's it. Now your video it's ready. Click on export, choose the quality and click on export and it's downloaded to your desktop. With Submagic you can generate you can create your video easily just in one click and have the pricing plan. There are three plan. The starter for beginner and pro plan, $23 per month. It's a good plan. I recommend you to use. If you want to try your Submagic AI, you will find the link in the description. And see you the next one.